Hey guys, today let's try how to put more than 150 characters in your Instagram bio. So firstly, I'd like you to go ahead and launch the Instagram application and then tap on your menus or your profile and then tap on edit profile. Now from here, you can actually proceed now with editing your profile if you want to go ahead and do so. But I want you to go ahead and basically double check this and be aware that adding a longer bio on your Instagram profile, especially if you are a business owner and you are trying to attract your customers or you are trying to target a specific audience, this won't really be a good way for you to showcase your Instagram profile to the world. Now, this is because people nowadays have short attention spans, and adding a longer profile that more than 150 characters is just gonna allow your audience to just skip you through and choose another person. So my advice is to just add the necessary information on your Instagram bio so that people's attention span could be retained, allowing you to gain more followers. Essentially, that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and take care.